If you want to update CapCut on your PC, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few seconds. Keeping CapCut updated is important because it helps you get the latest features, performance improvements, and bug fixes so your editing experience stays smooth and reliable. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your computer. Once the app is open, look at the top right corner of the window. You should see an update icon sitting right next to the share and history icons. This is the button you need to click if you want CapCut to check for a newer version. Go ahead and click that update icon now. CapCut will automatically begin checking for updates. If an update is available, the app will start the update process for you. Depending on the size of the update and your internet speed, this may take a moment, so just let it finish without closing the app. If no update is available, CapCut will let you know that you are already on the latest version, and that's really all there is to it. Updating CapCut on PC is fast, simple, and something you can do anytime you want to make sure you have the newest tools and fixes. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.